In this video we'll show some tips for cycling in winter. Have in mind that appropriate clothing is essential if you want to use your bike in cold weather. Wear more thin layers, dress like an onion. Air trapped between layers will keep you warm. Keep your feet warm. Wear appropriate non-slippery shoes and thicker socks. Wear windproof gloves and a hat. The gloves will protect your hands adequately, but make sure you can still brake and grip your handlebars before you start. Regarding the bike quality, it is essential that you have a good set of tires on your bike. Inflating your tires a little less than you would in summer improves their traction in slippery conditions. Check your brakes as well. Always check your bike lights before you leave. Don't rush. It will take some time for your muscles to warm up. Don't risk your safety and drive slower in wet and slippery conditions. In winter the nights are longer, so always make sure you're visible to drivers and pedestrians by wearing appropriate clothing. Drive safely and enjoy the ride.